Exposing the grandeur in Rajasthan. Prepare to be amazed by India's largest state. Let's get started. Rajasthan covers a whopping 342,239 square kilometers. That's larger than many countries. But it's not just about the size. This state is a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. Ever heard of the Thar Desert? It's here, stretching across Rajasthan like a golden sea. And let's not forget the majestic forts and palaces. Jaipur's Amber Fort and Udaipur's City Palace are just a couple of gems. Plus, Rajasthan is home to colorful festivals like Diwali and Holi, where the streets come alive with lights and colors. And the cuisine? Mouth-watering. From spicy curries to sweet treats like Gewar, you're in for a treat. So, the next time you're thinking about adventure, remember Rajasthan, the crown jewel of India. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome geography facts.